roles in Sparkflows. I'm logged in as an administrator. Let me go to the administration screen. Now here I'm in the roles list. Sparkflows comes by default with admin and analyst roles. Each role has a number of permissions associated with it. For example, ability to create users, manage groups, manage roles, or viewing datasets, modifying datasets, and similarly viewing workflows, modifying workflows, executing workflows, etc. We can also go ahead and create new roles. For example, data scientist. And we go ahead and give certain permissions to the data scientist role. Okay, so now we created a data scientist role, and when we create a new user, we can associate the data scientist role with the user. Each user can be assigned one or more roles.